Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business presentation slide using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A presentation slide appears clean, yet alignment feels tense. Pixel aspect ratio restores harmony. Charts regain correct proportions. Icons feel stable. A pause allows the eye to settle. Business presentations rely on clarity, not confusion. The slide now supports the speaker instead of stealing focus. Final checks ensure consistency across all slides. The message becomes easier to trust. Thank you for watching.